So guys, I was using this app. It's called Rubik's Cube app, and you type in the colors on your cube. It teaches you how to solve the whole entire thing. It is super cool. I mean, I solved the whole entire 3x3, the whole entire pyramid, the whole entire 2x2. I'm usually a cheater. Okay. But today's pretty nice. Not a busy day, but whoever wants to say hi in the video. Hello before the video.
Look what I did.
Wait, you did that?
I mixed it like really badly, and then I solved the whole entire thing with the app. So hello. This is our magic 8 ball.
He's a weirdo.
I heard what you just said.
Yeah, I was just kidding.